Welcome to Facility and Energy Management, everyone. My name is Ahmad Abid Thakib, and I'm a protege in this department. In this video, we are going to go through the process of troubleshooting a crane breakdown and managing the repair work. Before any work begins, our first priority is safety. 1. We must ensure the area is free of hazards. This includes cordoning off the workspace so that operators do not carry out work or walk beneath the crane while it is under maintenance. 2. Always wear proper personal protective equipment, PPE, such as a safety helmet, high visibility vest, and safety shoes. It is also vital to identify and communicate with the person in charge, PC, of the area to ensure everyone is aware that the crane is being decommissioned for repair. 3. Loadout procedure. Since we are dealing with electrical components, we must isolate the power source to the crane to prevent accidental activation while the contractors are working on the panel. 4. Coordinating with the external contractor. For this specific job, we have engaged specialized contractors. We begin by briefing them on the fault. The crane has been experiencing intermittent failures, and initial troubleshooting points to an electrical issue in the main control panel. Replacing the faulty contactor. Upon inspection, the contractor identified a shorted contactor that was no longer functioning properly. You can see here the signs of wear or burning on the component. The team is now proceeding to swap the old contactor with a new, high-specification unit to restore reliable electrical switching. Setting and adjusting the timer. After the hardware replacement, the contractor is setting the timer within the control circuit. This is crucial for ensuring the correct delay sequences for crane movements, such as the transition between different speeds or the braking system, to prevent mechanical vibration. Lastly, functional testing. Once the components are installed and the timer is set, we restore power for a supervised test run. We observe the crane's responsiveness to ensure the short issue is resolved and the movements are smooth and well-timed.